Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your liked items in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. Here it opens up in the shopping menu, where we can browse and look at different kinds of fashion trends and styles. But from here, we have to find the little heart icon in the top of the screen. We tap on it, and then at the top there is liked items. If we tap on this, then we can see the items that we've liked and saved here. If we don't have any yet, then we can just tap on Explore Fashion and find items that we like and we want to save for later. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.